Uneven floors don't just look bad, they compromise the entire flooring system. Even minor unevenness leads to tile failure, weak bonding, and future damage. The solution starts with proper surface preparation and level up 403 and 410. Step 1. Clean the substrate. Ensure it is sound, clean, and free from dust, oil, and contaminants. Step 2. Dampen the substrate with clean water to improve bonding. Step 3. Apply cement grip evenly using a brush or roller. Step 4. Add 4 to 4.6 liters of clean water into a mixing container. Step 5. Slowly add 25 kilograms of Level Up 403 or 410 while mixing at low speed with a low-speed electric mixer. Step 6. Continue mixing until the mixture becomes smooth, flowable, and lump-free. Step 7. Pour the mixture onto the prepared surface while the cement grip is still wet. Step 8. Use spiked shoes and a spiked spreader to guide and distribute the material evenly. Step 9. Use a spiked roller to release trapped air and prevent bubbles or voids. The material naturally levels to form a flat, even surface. Step 10. Allow 6 hours before foot traffic. Let the surface cure properly. A properly leveled base is the foundation of a durable floor system. Level Up 403 and 410. Self-leveling topping. Available at all BUILDRITE hubs nationwide and in leading online shops.